If only someone was doing something to make sure that people can buy graphics cards at MSRP without a scalper markup. If only someone would make sure that verified actual gamers get their hands on graphics cards. Who will answer this call, Luke? Who will answer this call?
I don't think anyone. It's way too hard. I can't imagine, because it would have to be someone new, right? It couldn't be someone in this space already. They'd have to have relationships with board partners.
Yep,
They'd have to be able to get allocation.
Yep.
Getting units is going to be tough. The board partners would probably have to be on board with it.
Yep.
No pun intended.
Oh, yeah, I liked it. I liked it. Okay.
It's impossible.
So it's time for the big reveal. Sometime next week, we will be launching the Verified Actual Gamer program. For our first drop, I don't want to overpromise to you guys. We are working with ASUS, okay? We have only between, I don't know exactly how many we have. It's between 80 and 100 cards. I'm gonna give you guys too much detail, okay? I'm gonna be honest with you guys in a way that could get me in trouble. The reason I don't know exactly how many are coming is because one of the piece of middlemen that was involved in this transaction, oopsie daisies, accidentally lost, or what really happened was sold to someone else some of the cards that were supposed to come to me for the Verified Actual Gamer program. Oh, hold on a second. Nick is calling me. He's real upset. What do you want? About what? Hold on. Just tell me what's going on.
I think he's muted, but I think I'm still with you. I think I'm still here. I have no idea what's going on at this point. I knew about the system. I knew about the plan. I was trying to hype it up. I didn't know about this part of the story. I didn't expect Nick to call.
So the point is, I don't know exactly how many of them we're going to have, but we have done some really cool work to make sure that when these things are available in the way that they will be available, there is, nothing is perfect. But there is a very, very, very high probability that every single one of them will make their way into the hands of a verified actual gamer. So we're not giving you guys the full details this second, but Luke and some of the other guys on the Floatplane team have been hard at work on this from a development side, development side of things. And what you're going to want to do is, if you're a real gamer and if you need a graphics card, okay? So we've got some RTX 3080s, RTX 3090s, and I believe I am allowed to tease that we are also working with AMD on some products that AMD sells. And we are also working with MSI on some products that MSI sells. So this is all going to be happening hopefully over the next few weeks. What you are going to want to do to make sure that you are in the know and getting the info as early as possible is you're going to want to watch this episode of The WAN Show, where I tell you guys what else you're going to need to do. Congratulations, you already did that part. The next thing you're going to need to do is you are going to need to make sure that you are subscribed on Linus Tech Tips. You are watching every video the instant it goes live. And the only way to do that is to make sure to ring the bell. Don't be a ding dong, okay? That's Luke's joke. That's Luke's joke.
Don't be a ding dong, ring the ding dong.
That's Luke's joke. I'm not taking credit for that. It may be that in the future, I will take us over to maybe a different channel, like Short Circuit, for example. But it's quite likely that this is all going to be on the Linus Tech Tips channel. Another pro tip, guys. There is an even better way to see a Linus Tech Tips video right away when it launches than ringing the bell. If you go back in time to the long, long ago of just looking at our publish history, you'll see that there's a bit of a pattern to when we publish our videos. I would suggest that it is likely that we will include this information somewhere in one of the videos that we published at our, let's say, typical time. Okay? Does that sound good to everybody? There's a whole big thing in here that says, don't say this part, don't say this part. Should I say that part?
I don't think so.
No, I don't think I'm going to say that part. So we're really excited about this. We're really excited to be working with ASUS, AMD, and MSI. Those are the ones that we've talked to about this program. They have actually worked really hard to make this possible because, as you guys may or may not know, Linus Media Group Incorporated is not exactly a retailer. You know what I mean? So we're not really set up to buy computer hardware in bulk. So there was a lot of work from the Creator Warehouse team, the Floatplane team, ASUS, AMD, MSI, getting all this stuff cleared, and trying to find a way to make it make sense for everyone. And I can tell you right now, the bottom line is that the only reason that any of this makes any sense is because they actually care. They liked our idea, and they actually care about helping us get these products to verified actual gamers. So I'm super excited. People like, just say the part. No, I'm not going to be saying the part. I was just messing with Luke. That stuff I really don't want to talk about yet. So stay tuned, guys. This is going to be fantastic.
That's the stuff that's going to be in the video, and that's why you need to ring the bell.
So Floatplane, Joe Soap asks, what about Floatplane subscribers? Do I still need to check on YouTube? We will make sure that the video launch, that the video launch is going to be at the same time on Floatplane as on YouTube. So you guys will get the same chance as everyone else. But unfortunately, I cannot give you guys any kind of advantage for the Verified Actual Gamer program, because if I did, and Floatplane was a paid membership, which it is, then we would risk running afoul of lottery laws, gambling laws, which last time I checked get enforced pretty hardcore, and I really do not want to deal with that. My life does not need it. Okay, does that kind of make sense, guys? Linus misses NCIX so much, he just remade it better, faster, and stronger. Thanks, Cyberdyne over on Floatplane. Exactly. We're going full circle here, boys. Okay? I started out making videos for a tech retailer, and then now I'm going to be a tech retailer I started out making video. Now I'm going to be a video maker that turns into a tech retailer. We got this.
Only in like drop form.
Trules asked, is Quebec included? It's not a giveaway. It's just an opportunity to buy it at MSRP. So yes, yeah. You can definitely buy it. In response to anyone on staff who's watching this, including at Floatplane and Creator Warehouse, no, you are not eligible. Unfortunately, because you have access to the people either directly or indirectly who are working on this project, you simply cannot have one. And we will make sure you do not get one. Oh, poor Floatplane staff is in the chat. We know. Yeah, that's rough. Okay, I'm sorry. Hopefully you guys are hyped. We are expecting somewhere in the neighborhood. It's like, honestly, guys, I don't want to set unrealistic expectations because...
Can Aussies join the giveaway? It's not a giveaway.
It's not a giveaway, okay? It's not a giveaway. It's just a chance to buy them. Okay, so there's a few things that we need to clarify here. One is that there is nothing we can do about tariffs. If you are American and the stock that we get is was not imported pre-tariff, okay? We actually do have some that came in pre-tariff still. So that's how long we've been working on this. That should give you some idea. But if the stock we have, which some of it will be, is post-tariff from the Trump administration, we cannot do anything about that. There will be a 25% surcharge. Cannot help you with it. It just is what it is. If you don't like it, you tell your government you don't like it. It has nothing to do with me. Same thing if you were to buy it from the EU, for example. There is nothing I can do about any kind of value-added tax or any other kinds of surcharges. Oh, okay. Apparently I was mistaken. We do not have any that are pre-tariff. It did not end up working out that way. So they are all tariffed. Someone's asking about postage costs. You'll have to pay separately for that. We just to give you guys some idea, there is not a ton of margin in computer hardware, guys. Like it's a cutthroat business. Okay? Remember that time that Newegg tried to go public and it was revealed that their net profit was like 1%? Like it is not, there's a reason I haven't tried to become a computer hardware retailer, okay? It's not that I don't know, it's not that I don't have the relationships. It's not that I don't know how to put a CPU in a box and ship it out the door. It's because I want nothing to do with that business. This is just about us making sure that whatever we can get our hands on, we have bought as much as we can in bulk, makes its way to verified actual gamers from our community, all right? So yes, if you are somewhere else in the world, you will have to pay postage. It's probably going to be brutal depending where you are because we don't have amazing rates with Canada Post or FedEx or whoever else. We're still a relatively small timer. All right. Cool. So why don't we move on to...
Oh, my mic was muted. Sorry, 1 second. Someone was asking what currency will the cards be listed in?
They'll be listed in USD. But they will be listed at pre-tariff prices because, for example, if someone in Canada were to buy them, they would not be subject to the US tariffs. So does that kind of make sense, guys? Because we're in Canada, we haven't paid a tariff on them yet. You guys follow? So if we ship them to the US, the second they touch US soil, they are subject to this 25% tariff. Again,
another potentially, oh, sorry.
Yeah, go ahead, hit me.
Another potentially tricky question is a moderator was asking, what about them?
A moderator like on the forum?
Like forum moderator, Discord moderator, Twitch chat moderator.
They, to my knowledge, they will have absolutely no
It had nothing to do with this.
Yeah, they will have no early access to information. And internally, only I and Nick and Luke are probably going to know exactly when the video is going to go live. So I think that should be fine. Yep.
Okay, cool.
Yep. They can be verified actual gamers, 100%.
Nice.
All right. Let's go ahead and, oh, right, that's a really good point. If you've had bad experiences with shipments from Canada before, like Grok 23, where they've taken a really long time, maybe this just isn't the right deal for you. Because the last thing I want is for this to be stuck in, shipping for 2 months, which can happen, absolutely. And then for you to have a real bad time because some $1,000 product is tied up for 2 months. And by that time, graphics card prices are back to sanity. All right. All right.